back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl T in the Cut. Y'all already know what's going on. Back at it again with another video, y'all. And today I am finally finna rearrange my room. So y'all just stay tuned for the tune. I need to wipe it down. I've been having this sign on my door for buku years, y'all. Let's enter. When you first walk in, this is what you see. I'm dropping shit. I thought about using this, y'all, to make a ring light, but it'd be kind of big. This is jumbo. Behind my door, you have this.
My window's open.
But this is my room. This is what I'll be transforming, y'all. Stay tuned.
Are you into pegging?
Yes. Oh my God.
I met a nigga. This man said,
Get enjoyment. We'll start with the
first message, I hope you're open to doing anything. I hope you don't have a problem with that.
No. That's 3 nights.
Whatever floats your boat, but I can't see myself. It was beyond me. It was in my bio. I missed that.
Okay.
Completely. My baby not moving these tights, y'all. Empty. I just put that over there. I just wanted to test something out, but yeah, let's transform it up. Still need to figure out what I'm gonna do about that, but we gonna see, y'all. We gonna see. Stay tuned.
For one, I needed to put this picture in a frame. For two, I needed to put that certificate in a frame so it can have a clean look when I hang it up. So let's get into it.
the best that I could get it. Look pretty clean though. I'm trying to put my letterman in the frame. This frame really isn't that thick, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna figure it out. Stay tuned. Y'all would not believe what I just did. I just sliced open my finger on this glass, y'all. Like sliced, like I can see my meat sliced open my finger. Like I might need 2 stitches sliced open my finger, but I'm not finna get no stitches. And hopefully that it stops bleeding, because if it don't, then I might need to go get some stitches. I could be over exaggerating, y'all, but I don't think so. I got my finger wrapped up. I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm finna finish doing what I was doing. No more basketball sign. I put me a rug down there. When you first walk in, this is what you see. You see my bed, me and my queen of a mother. I have not fixed my lights yet, y'all, so do not mind that. I'm actually gonna buy new lights. I'm gonna start from this side of the room and work my way around. But this is what's over here. Y'all have a load of glasses. It's another do-it-yourself project that I'm going to be doing to hold my glasses on the wall, so stay tuned for that. Got my mirror, TV. I hung my light on the wall. I don't know if I want to keep that right there because I don't know where to put it, but it's right there for now. My bench, my do-it-yourself rug. And I got my medals hanging up right here. There's my wall of fame that I just moved up. And we're going to the other side of the wall. Another mirror. And that's how I cut my finger, y'all. From this side, this is how it looks. But this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my room makeover or rearrangement, however you want to call it. And yeah, stay tuned for the next vid. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See y'all on the next one.